If your Android phone is getting slow, then simply go to File Manager, and in File Manager you go to the cleanup. Then you'll wait for a while, and you see all the junk files are just ready to be cleaned up. I cleaned up all, and this taken some time to be refreshed. So I'll go to WhatsApp cleanup. In WhatsApp cleanup, you see junk files and all these things are, it's counting the junk files. Okay, it's recommending me to clean it up. Just I'll wait for a while. See, it has cleaned up all the files. Then I'll go to app cleanup. Yes, I got to rarely used apps. So let's suppose I am uninstalling this Zoom because I've not been using this for more than 60 days. So I clean it up, and as well as this game, I'm also cleaning it up because I've not been using this for a while. So these apps have been cleaned up, and now my phone is refreshed and new. So I can even clean up the duplicate files which are not which do not exist right now. So this is how you can easily clean up your phone and you can get your phone refreshed. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more short videos like this.